Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Drive link to share or create a shareable folder. First, if you get any benefit from this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. First, from new folder, name it My Files. Create, that's the folder I just created. Open it. Now I am inside the folder. Just I want to drag or insert a file to it. Right click, file upload. For example, I upload this file. Select it and open. Okay, now I added a file. Come to click this one. You have the ability to share. Click share, then share. Here you have restricted. You can change it to anyone with the link. And from viewer, if you select viewer, they can read only. If you select editor, they can add or remove files. So I selected editor. Now you can click done, then click this one, share, copy the link. Now if I come to here, Ctrl V, that is a link. You can share it with anyone you want. Again, if I come to the Google Drive, I have another option. Click my files. You have another option to do the same process. For example, my drive. Find your folder, my file again. Click the three dots. You get the same window. Share. You can make it restricted. Change this one to restricted. You can send it for specific people. For example, this person. You can add another person. For example, this person also. From here, if you select it, they can add or remove files. If you select viewer, they can read only, nothing more. Just send. Again, if you come back and click the three dots, share, click share. For example, you don't want to send to this one or you made a mistake, just click here, scroll down and remove access. Now you remove this person, just save. Now only one person has access to your file. You see, only this person. That's all. Have a nice time.